China's AI monster just rewrote the rules. OpenAI is shaking. Breaking: while you were scrolling TikTok, China's ByteDance quietly built an AI so powerful it could erase OpenAI from existence. Goku, their new text-to-video weapon, is generating 4K cinematics faster than you blink. But here's the twist: this isn't just about flashy tech, it's about who controls reality itself. Stick around, because what you'll see in the next 10 minutes will terrify and empower you. Smash subscribe. This war affects you. ByteDance's secret history from TikTok to Terminator. Before Goku, there was TikTok. ByteDance's algorithm knows your deepest cravings, and they've weaponized it. In 2021, leaked documents revealed Project Dragon, a plan to merge AI with viral content. Fast forward to today, Goku uses 200 million clips from TikTok's vault, dances, trends, your data, to learn how humans think. But why? Because the best way to control you is to become you. Subscribe now, because ByteDance isn't just chasing OpenAI. They're building a digital god, and if you think that's hype, wait till you see what leaked last night. The GitHub leak that exposed everything. 3 days ago, an anonymous hacker dumped Goku 8B's code on GitHub. Hidden in the files? A kill switch for OpenAI's Sora. How? Rectified flow transformers, a tech so advanced it makes diffusion models look like cave paintings. Instead of denoising pixels, Goku predicts motion paths. Translation: it's 10 times faster and 84.85% more accurate. But here's the kicker: the leak included training data, TikTok clips tagged with your location, face, and voice. This is illegal, but ByteDance doesn't care. Their betting regulators are too slow. Hit subscribe, because the next leak could drop tonight, and you need to see it first. How Goku's 4K brain works. Warning: mind-blowing. Goku's training is a 3-stage apocalypse. 1 mind control phase, 160 million images teach it to read your mind, linking words like apocalyptic to your darkest fears. 2 video fusion, 36 million videos inject TikTok's dopamine hooks, explosions, beauty, chaos. 3 4K hyper reality, resolution scale from 288p to 720p crystal, sharp enough to fake your mother's face. But the real horror? Megascale infrastructure. ByteDance uses sequence parallelism to train on 220,000 plus tokens, longer than War and Peace. Translation: Goku doesn't just generate videos, it dreams. Subscribe now, because in 20 seconds, you'll see a demo so illegal, YouTube might delete this video. Deepfake apocalypse: your face is their weapon. Last week, a deepfake of you went viral. You didn't notice, because Goku cloned your voice, mannerisms, even your blinks. How? Motion filtering. By analyzing 36 million videos, it learned to animate any image into a perfect lie. And ByteDance's safety tools? They banned clips with text, but not your identity. This is happening, and once Goku's code leaks, no one is safe. Smash subscribe, because in Act 5, I'll show you how to spot these fakes before they ruin your life. AI war: Elon Musk versus the dragon, who's winning? Elon Musk panicked last night. Why? China's AI is lapping Silicon Valley. While the US debates ethics, ByteDance is live testing Goku on 1 billion TikTok addicts. And here's the kicker: Goku slashes video costs by 90%. Brands can spam 100 ads for the price of 1. But at what cost? Your job, your privacy, your mind. Here's the truth: AI literacy is your only shield. And right now, you're unarmed. Subscribe, because next week I'm dropping a free survival guide. Miss it, and you're already obsolete. Q&A: your life in the age of Goku. You asked, can we stop Goku? Short answer: no, but you can outsmart it. Q: how do I spot deep fakes? A: check for unnatural blinking and mismatched shadows. Full tutorial for subscribers. Q: will AI steal my job? A: not if you adapt. Subscribe for AI-proof career hacks. Drop more questions below. Subscribers get priority answers. And yes, I'll shout you out next week. Goku vs. you. Who survives? If you're still here, you're ready. Goku's coming. But you're armed. Stay paranoid, stay sharp, and don't trust anything you see unless it's from this channel. Subscribe and see you in the next one.